Too well.
Too well.
Too well.
Too well.
Too well. You sound like a robot.
Too well.
Too well.
Too well.
Too well. I didn't do it again. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. Okay, so I went yesterday to get the Volcano Goddess palette by Becca because it was 50% off at Ulta yesterday, and I happened to be there on the day they released these two beauties. Oh my goodness, I love purples. This palette killed me. I could not wait to put this all over my eyes. This one is so beautiful and perfect for spring and summer. Everything in here is so bright. So I am actually going to do a tutorial on this today, and this one will be in probably the next video. I think I'm gonna try and put both out today. Actually, I'm gonna do both looks with both of them. Both. I did not get any of the lip glosses, and I didn't get the highlighter palette just because I'm not rich. But I did, however, get these two. And you can never have enough eyeshadow. It's like shoes. You can never have enough shoes. I tried to find reviews on this just so I could see how these worked out for people, but there was not a single review. So hopefully I can help you guys out with this, because I could not find anything on it because it was just released yesterday. But this palette, we're going to do this one, then we're going to do the Rendezvous and another one, but Sweet Nothings. This is exclusive to Ulta, and I don't think you can get it on Colourpop's website, and you can't get it anywhere else except Ulta as of right now. So this has a really pretty kind of Instagram-y geometric feel to it, and it is Sweet Nothings on the website. It was said to have soft romantic vibes for the holidays. So here are the colors. And I'm going to be doing not soft and romantic. I'm just going to do some swatches of these because there isn't any floating around yet. Do you see that pink? That has been there for like 5 days now. I have swatches all over, and they're like staining my skin. Forgive me. Let's go ahead and get into this look because it ain't soft and romantic, y'all. You guys can go to some other tutorial for that. We went sultry and sexy. Alright, cool. Here we go. So this is really intense, and we are just gonna start. We're going for it. So we are going for the darkest shade, which is Mousse, and it's this really beautiful dark purple. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my entire lid. Alright, so now that I have like that base color in, I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and kind of fill in those extra spots. That's just such a beautiful, rich, deep, sultry purple. I love this color. Ooh, that color. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the next darker color in the palette, and I'm gonna stay on the purple side. So I'm going in with Tulle. This darker purple here, and I'm going to softly start to just pat that color on the very edge of this shadow. And I am just tapping it into this harsh line here to soften that harsh line. We're going to be softening a lot of lines. Let me know if you guys would like to see a dark smoky look like this, but starting with the lighter shade first and working my way down, and then also starting with the darkest shade and working my way up to see the blending. Let me know if that's something that you guys would want to see. I am now taking a smaller brush like this, and this is the JH40, and I am now going into this. It has glitter, but it comes off as a matte. It's like all that glitter kind of disappears. So I am going in with that, and I'm going to very, very lightly start buffing the top of wheel together. Alright, so now I am taking this Bare shade here, Out of Luck, and I am just softly blending this up into the brow bone. Alright, I am going to add the inner corner highlight, and I am going in with 1111 right here. Alright, well there we go. I'm going to go ahead and add in, where is it, eyeliner. This eyeliner right here, Lord and Berry. And this is kind of like a really, I have swatches stains all over my hands. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I've been trying to get them off, but I guess I just need bleach at this point. Alright, this is a really pretty kind of shimmery champagne, and I think it just looked beautiful with this look. It really just brightened up that under eye instead of putting in a dark color there and making your eye look tiny. This kind of just opened it up a little bit more. Alright, that's it. Now I'm just going to add in mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so let's continue with the rest of this face. I'm going to do my blush, and my blush, I'm going to use this Burts Bees blush here, and I kind of wanted to pull in this top color here. If you can see the transition color, that it kind of blended it out into this pinky kind of tone, and I really like that color, so I'm going to bring that color in with this blush. And then my highlight, I actually think I want to do a powder, and then I want to do a liquid one right on top of that. I don't know yet. We'll figure that out. Oh my, this is intense, you guys. Oh, that was just a little tap, and well, I mean, this is like 50 blushes in here now, so it's kind of dirty, but ooh, that is a bit intense. I don't know, does anyone else do this, or is it just me? Do people kind of bring their blush up real high? I've been liking to bring my blush up almost matching to my lower lash line lately. I don't know why. I just think it looks so pretty, and I don't bring it in as far anymore on the apples of my cheeks. I kind of start right here and just swoop up. Oh no, I just feel like it just lifts my face up when I do it that way. This is a beautiful, this is pigmented. Wow, Burt's Bees. You pigmented. I love you. Ooh, blush with bamboo. Bamboo. Anyways, this is Shy Pink. And that is like the cutest color for a blush name. Oh, I think what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a powder highlight, and then I'm going to do this cream highlight over the top, because this has like a really intense purpley pink kind of look to it, and I thought it would be really beautiful, this look. So I am going in with my Tarteist Pro Glow, and I'm going in Stunner right here, this shade, and that's going to be like the base, and then I'm going to do that liquid one right over the top. This is probably going to turn into a hot mess. Oh well. Can you guys see that random heavenly light right there? This is probably going to go south real fast, but we're going to try it. Okay, so I've never used this. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Highlight, and this is the color Who's That Pearl? I see what you did, Wet n Wild. And I am just going to lightly, I am using this little applicator though, because I kind of like it. It's very convenient. I'm just going to lightly press right in this general area, very lightly. Wish me luck. So this is actually not that bad. I mean, I kind of like it. Oh, this side's a little bit more pink. That's okay. You just tap it out. Let's give it a little tappy. Alright, my camera actually cut off on me in the middle of me doing my highlighter, which is fine because at least I got to my highlighter before it stopped recording. But all we have left is just the lipstick, so easy. I actually found this from Tati, and it's the Flower Beauty in Spiced Petal, and it's one of their Petal Pout lipsticks. And I believe this is a cream formula, and they do have cream and matte formulas with the Petal Pout lipsticks. And I actually got 5 or 6 or 8, one of those numbers. I think it was 5. Either way, I am now getting all 24 shades, and slowly, because I'm not rich. But when I do, I'll do a swatch video of every single one of them, just for you guys. But for now, this is Petal Pout, and this color is beautiful. It feels like chapstick. It's just so moisturizing. I love this color. This is the look that I created with the Sweet Nothings palette. And if you guys enjoy this, leave me a comment. We can become friends. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Focus on my arm. There we go. So there's 4. These swatches are hideous. Oh my gosh. Roast me on my swatches, y'all. We are fixing my eyelid. We are going for 2L.
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 2L. You sound like a robot.
2L.
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 2L. Oh, I didn't do it again. Tweel. Tweel. Do you sound like that? Tweel. I think maybe let me guys know. Very, very tiny circles.